Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word Mobile. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and open up one of the documents. Once you open up the document, go to the pencil button at the top right corner and tap on it. And now click on the plus button at the bottom left and scroll through the menu at the bottom and tap the three dots. Now, you will see this menu button, tap on it, and now click on Insert. Inside Insert, go to Page Numbers option at the bottom and tap on it. Now choose where you want the page number to appear. You can choose it to appear on top left, top center, bottom left, and so on. Select one of the options and you will see a page number appearing at the top left corner of one of your pages. You can also customize the page number. You can change its style, font, or size. Word will update all page numbers automatically. So if you try to scroll through the pages, you will see that the page number has been added now. So that is how you easily add page number on Microsoft Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.